Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Sierra Leone. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this official e-visa website of the government of Sierra Leone, and this is available in English. Okay, wow. So before you proceed anywhere, I would suggest go for FAQ, because a lot of questions like how you can change, check the status and cost, how long validity, and all these questions are going to be answered over there. And once you are ready, we can go ahead and apply. So let's say you're coming here for the first time. So you're going to click here. You have to select your nationality. So I'm just selecting as a sample, but you do as per your case. So I'm selecting single intent. I click on apply. So you have to put your email address and last name, and it's going to send a code. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens is after you get the code on the same page, you have to put that code in. You can of course copy and paste. And then when you click on login, you come to this page where you read terms, condition and everything. So you better like read it. So they have clearly mentioned that you need to provide as per your passport. So whatever information you put, you have to check it. Like I would recommend 2 times, not just once, just take 2 times. Date of birth. A sample guys. So let's do old. Document type. Passport I select. Document number, do it as per your own case. Issued country, I select India. Nationality, India. Occupation, your occupation, okay. I'm just adding. Purpose, tourism, post name. So whatever it is, I just say whatever. Something, whatever. Address, if you have booked already, definitely you know the address, right? Expect date of arrival. Wow, you need to type. That's amazing. Let's save. Once you're ready, click on checkout. So you have to do payment, and after that, it's gonna go for processing. And once you are approved and you go there, you can get the visa. I mean, you can enter the country for tourism. You will get it at the border. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.